I will show you how to download Valorant on PC. First, open your web browser. Type Valorant in the search. Then click this website. Click Play for free. Select which platform you're playing on. For example, here there are PC, Xbox, and PlayStation. If you play on PC, click PC. Click Create One if you don't have an account, but if you already have, select Sign In. Login ID and password for your account. After entering, you click Download. Find the folder to store the game file. If it has been downloaded, open the Valorant install application earlier. After installed, open the Riot application. Click Install and select where you want to install the game. And wait for the Valorant download to complete.
Thanks you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure you hit subscribe button.